Oh my God! You're so slim, skinny girl.
Here. You have to try the biscuit.
Pero how do you choose?
One lang, I can say 10. Mamaya, ilan na naman.
What's the option of
Are you really?
We work together.
Because your personality is hyper on it.
Yeah.
Like me. And yes, I become more. Yeah.
We used to drink before in the restaurant in Pasig.
Is that still there? And I lived there.
Yeah.
We
I
met.
never naman in Singapore. We were doing the Kaya. Yes, like 15 ka pa lang or 16, something like that.
So that's how we met.
In London.
We'll always have London. Because of TFC.
Ah, okay.
I was there for a show.
Kami naman, Claudine.
Yon.